Yeah, welcome to another installment of IT Fund. It's been a while. Yeah, so today I come to present to you this lovely idea of, as you can see, on Lovable AI, and these AI-powered code editors and IDEs. Of course, we basically you're able to edit your code and work alongside an AI. There is Lovable, which is one of them. There is Bolt New. I think we've heard of Casa. And the one in particular that I've been using is that I've tried out is Windsurf by Codium. Basically, you can download the IDE and have it installed. It works both for Windows, Linux, I think, and Mac OS, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, works for Mac as well. Once you install it, I'll just quickly, let me see if I can bring that in. So you start out with a free. So here I've been trying to test out something about data visualization. Basically, the bit I'm still trying out is you create this folder called instructions with a markdown file, and you can basically write your prompts and what you want the AI to do for you. You have an active chat window here. Of course, you give it a context. So I'm testing out Next.js with Tailwind CSS. And maybe I'll also integrate Supabase at some point. But basically, you you have this place where you can chat with these different models. Now for Windsurf, let me just minimize. So this is just how the environment would look like. I chose this color. It looks a bit cool. If you don't agree, then just write that in the comments and tell me why you wouldn't agree. But you're able to edit, and you're able to prompt and work alongside it. You give it context, and it's able to make changes actually to your files. And you can see every time it makes a change, it opens like a diff for Git where you can see what changes have been made to the file. Now, one thing behind it is that the first time you're using Windsurf, you have some free credits that you get. I'll just drop that in. You have some free credits that you get. Of course, I used mine. I'll show you what I use them for, basically to build. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a leap of faith and pay for this subscription. The free one, based on my usage, 50 prompts I think was good, because I was able to come up with the full app. As you can see here, I'll show that to you shortly. I was able to come up with a full app. So I'm thinking, when it comes to what is provided here, 500 premium prompts and flow actions. As you can see, the flow actions, I still have some left, but the prompts are what I don't have. So what does that mean? When you use all of them, when you come to this chart on this side, there's something called Cascade. You'll be able to see the different models you can interact with. The premium ones are here. You have GPT-4o, you have Sonnet, you have all these DeepSeek. Some are a bit slow. I was using Claude Sonnet and it was working really well. So I used up my credits. I'll have to subscribe, to upgrade to a premium version for $15. That's around 55,000 Uganda shillings. And you can also see here, I'm testing out the Cascade base, but it's really slow. So with this, you can interact with multiple. The other bit I wanted to show you that these are different tools you can use to build your SaaS, and in this you can keep on prompting. It's one of the things you can take advantage of. Now, some of the assumptions are, if you're not really tech savvy and you want to build a SaaS, you can always simply write a prompt and look for best practices. Use ChatGPT to generate for best practices. You really need to have your idea polished. But the whole intent of this video is to just show you some of these tools and how they actually work. Like I've showed you this Windsurf, which is a tool I think I like this. I also installed others, but I like Windsurf in particular. So with this, I was able to launch an app to Vercel audio transcription using OpenAI Whisperer, which is I paid for the API around $5. And I was able to create this drag and drop where you can upload the video and upload one of these file formats. It does a transcription and then you can download it. We also integrated a bit for donation to try to monetize and see if that's even possible. And once you're done with that, once you click Once you select a value here with this slider, there are some predefined ones like 5, 10, and so on, but also someone can select others. So when you click donate, I don't want to go through a lot of video editing, that's why I grayed out my link to Vercel, because the Open AI API is whenever you prompt, it chops off my $5. I don't want that. Yeah, but if you subscribe, maybe I might give you a link. So to this application, and then you're able to make a payment here, and then yeah, some noise there. When you make a payment, I tested it out like 2 days ago. Today is 9th of March, so you're able to see successful payments and incomplete payments and so on. So basically this you can see you can actually monetize a SaaS. So here it's through donations, but you can put up a paywall. So the paywall is what I'll test out next. And also just make sure you don't miss out on some of these tools and the potential that they boast. 55,000 Uganda shillings might be, yeah, which is the equivalent of like $15, would be great if you know what you're doing, that is. But testing out, I recommend Windsurf. This is more than enough to make your first app. And I'll link the description of all this in the link all these links in the video description, and I think all will be well. Subscribe, like, and comment down if you want any improvements. Thank you.